A few years ago, Beyond Meat was all the rage with their range of plant-based meats, designed to replicate the taste, texture, and other sensory attributes of traditional animal-based meats, while providing nutritional and environmental benefits. Their products aim to address global issues like human health, climate change, natural resource constraints, and animal welfare. Let's take a closer look at how things are going after the initial hype died down and certain struggles began to set in. But first, let's remember their three core product platforms are meant to replicate beef, pork, and poultry using plant-derived amino acids, lipids, carbohydrates, trace minerals, and water. Products are free from GMOs, added hormones or antibiotics, and cholesterol, and they're available in various retail and food service outlets worldwide. Brand messaging says the company is driven by a mission to operate in a transparent, socially responsible, and environmentally sustainable manner. They aim to help solve health and global environmental issues caused partly by animal-based protein diets and existing industrial livestock production. By authentically committing to these causes, they believe they can build loyalty and trust with consumers, resulting in a highly motivated workforce dedicated to their mission and enterprise. However, critics have pointed out the social environmental aspect is less important to consumers who appear to buy into Beyond Meat more for the proposed health benefits. And although the company aims to lower the cost of their plant-based products over time, eventually pricing them at parity with animal-based proteins, there's still a premium on their prices that creates a barrier to entry for potential customers. To achieve sustainable long-term growth, they state they've focused on three pillars: margin recovery and expense reduction through lean value streams, inventory reduction for better cash flow, and focusing on retail and food service growth drivers while supporting key partners. The implementation of a lean value stream approach is believed to drive faster product launches, accelerating revenue generation and cost reductions. As part of their global operations review, the company has undertaken workforce reductions, discontinued select products like Beyond Meat Jerky, optimized manufacturing capacity, and plan to suspend operations in China. The company intends to pursue top-line growth across their distribution channels by expanding their retail and food service footprint through increased distribution, innovation, and product commercialization. They believe this will lead to growing consumer awareness and demand for plant-based foods, resulting in an increase in the overall size of the plant-based meat category as more consumers shift away from animal-based proteins. Additionally, they plan to invest in infrastructure and capabilities by optimizing their manufacturing capacity and investing in new processes and systems that improve operating efficiency and enable greater scalability. The company aims to expand its product offerings by improving existing formulations and creating new products that cater to consumers' taste preferences while maintaining a good nutrition profile. The Beyond Burger 4 and Beyond Beef 4 products feature a protein blend including yellow pea, brown rice, faba bean, and red lentil proteins, as well as an oil system featuring avocado oil. They also plan to continue growing by improving product health perception, partnering with organizations like the American Heart Association, American Cancer Society, and the American Diabetes Association, and working with celebrities, influencers, and brand ambassadors to build significant brand awareness. The protein content of Beyond Meat products is primarily derived from pea protein, rice protein, faba bean protein, wheat gluten, or a combination thereof. The Beyond Burger 4 and Beyond Beef 4 are made with avocado oil and have a simplified ingredient list. They also offer pork platform products such as Beyond Sausage, pork platform products including Beyond Chicken Tenders, Beyond Chicken Nuggets, and Beyond Popcorn Chicken. In addition, they launched Beyond Sun Sausage, a protein option made with yellow pea protein, brown rice protein, red lentil protein, and faba bean protein. Value-added meals like Beyond Bakes were also introduced. They feature plant-based protein and are easy to prepare. Beyond Meat's presence at food retailers and food service outlets has their products reach around 27,000 retail outlets in the United States and 38,000 retail outlets internationally. They also have approximately 38,000 food service outlets in the US and 26,000 internationally. They primarily sell to customers through distributors who handle purchasing, storage, selling, and delivery of their products, with no distributor or customer exceeding a 15% share during the past few years. Beyond Meat relies on pea protein as its principal ingredient and procures it from multiple suppliers, with a limited number of them providing the raw materials for their products. They have a multi-year sales agreement with Roquette for pea protein that expires in 2025, requiring them to purchase specific minimum annual amounts. Beyond Meat continuously searches for additional sources of pea protein and other plant-based proteins while maintaining rigorous quality standards. The company has until December 31st, 2025, to make alternative arrangements if there are any interruptions in supply from their vendors. Beyond Meat's manufacturing process starts with combining a dry blend containing plant protein in their facilities. This mixture is then processed in an extruder by adding water and steam while applying heat, cooling, and pressure. The resulting formed woven protein serves as the base for all products. They further process this protein internally or through co-manufacturers by mixing flavors and other ingredients. Quality control is maintained using a DMAIC approach, optimizing processes domestically and abroad to produce their products. Some items are co-manufactured, with Beyond Meat exploring further optimization of production capabilities. Quality control involves in-process checks performed for temperature, physical dimensions, and weight. Specific storage and cooking instructions are provided for their products, which are mostly transported and stored frozen. Retail products like the Beyond Burger and Beyond Sausage are shipped frozen to customers with thawing instructions provided. The company relies on third-party logistics providers for distribution, both internally and internationally, utilizing transport management systems for real-time shipment tracking and visibility to coordinate their supply chain effectively. Order fulfillment at Beyond Meat involves customer service, logistics functions, and third-party carriers for shipping needs. They utilize ERP systems integrated with 3PL cloud platforms for managing orders, which can be processed manually if needed. The company has agreements with third-party service providers for shipping, and their metrics include order fill rates, on-time delivery, customer scorecards, and cost leadership. Beyond Meat's sales team is organized into 4 divisions: retail, food service, international, and strategic partnerships. They have a wide range of experience from leading companies in the industry and work closely with global broker and distributor partners to expand their footprint and sales globally. In order to increase consumer awareness of their plant-based meat products, they use social and digital media, PR, retail and food service shopper marketing, ambassador and influencer activations, paid media, and strategic partnerships. They maintain active social media accounts and a website for product information, news, recipes, nutritional facts, and purchase locations. The company partners with brand ambassadors and celebrities who support their mission to promote their products. In 2023, they launched the Go Beyond RD Hub for registered dietitians and nutrition experts to provide updates and research on plant-based options. In 2024, Beyond Meat continued to deploy targeted brand campaigns across various platforms to build awareness, reach new users, and drive conversions. Driving awareness through all these channels is crucial since Beyond Meat competes against both conventional animal protein companies and plant-based meat brands. The main competitive factors in their industry include taste, price, nutritional profile, ingredients, texture, convenience, versatility, brand awareness, media spending, product variety, packaging, access to retailers and food service outlets, innovation, and intellectual property protection. Beyond Meat's growth strategy focuses on identifying popular animal-based meat categories across their core plant-based platforms, beef, pork, and poultry, that align with long-term consumer trends. By dedicating significant research and development resources, they aim to create authentic plant-based versions of these products that closely replicate taste, texture, aroma, and appearance of their animal-based equivalents through improved iterations of existing products. However, challenges have arisen in the plant-based meat category due to weak demand, changes in consumer taste, macroeconomic factors such as inflation and potential recession, and competition. As a result, volume losses have negatively impacted sales and profitability. The ongoing decline in consumer demand for plant-based meats could lead to further adverse effects on their business and financial performance if they can't quickly reduce costs and achieve a profitable customer and product sales mix. In response, Beyond Meat has initiated a global operations review that involves narrowing their commercial focus, optimizing manufacturing capacity, reducing workforce, and potentially discontinuing certain product lines to improve cost structure. However, these actions may have long-term adverse effects on the business and may not result in the desired operational or financial benefits. Factors such as declining demand in the plant-based meat category, difficulty in achieving profitability, and unexpected costs could impact their ability to succeed in their initiatives. Furthermore, resource realignment and exiting certain operations might lead to revenue loss, investment reduction, and potential penalty payments. As a result, There is uncertainty surrounding the success of these cost-cutting measures on the company's long-term operations and financial results. They've also initiated efforts in margin recovery, operating expense reduction, and efficient inventory management. In November 2023, they initiated a global operations review aimed at narrowing commercial focus, optimizing manufacturing capacity, and reducing workforce size. This resulted in non-cash charges such as provision for excess inventory and potential asset write-offs. The company's goal is to prioritize growth opportunities, expand gross margins, and generate cash flow. On February 24, 2025, the company's board of directors approved a plan to reduce their North American and EU workforce by approximately 44 employees, 17% of their non-production global workforce, due to cost reduction initiatives aimed at decreasing operating expenses. They also decided to suspend their current operational activities in China, which is estimated to cease by the end of the second quarter of 2025, resulting in a reduction of their China workforce by around 20 employees, 95% of their China workforce, or approximately 3% of their total global workforce. The decisions were based on cost reduction initiatives intended to reduce operating expenses. Factors driving net revenue generation include increased penetration in retail channels, success in food service establishments, strength of partnerships with global QSR restaurants and other customers, focus on sustainable long-term growth, expansion in international sales, operational effectiveness, and continuous innovation and product improvements. These elements contribute to growing the company's customer base, broadening distribution channels, and enhancing market appeal for a range of consumers. For more on Beyond Meat and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.